Hi, it's Amy from WTI. These two phone stands from Nulaxy are awesome. I just wanted to show these to you up close. The first thing that I love about this is these grippy pads right here. This really helps to keep the phone in place, and it's got grippies here too. It's not gonna slip and slide on you. And then check this out. This closes into itself so that it makes it super slim and light just to be able to throw into any bag you have or purse or backpack. The metal's very heavy duty, but the greatest thing about this cell phone holder is that it has these two hinges here. And so what that means is that you can manipulate and maneuver this into any position that you might need in order to have the screen just perfectly the way that you want to see it. And it's so pretty. I love the blue color. And I think it makes such a nice gift. And that's my point of view.